Hi, this is Jeric B. Kulanipan. Today I am going to show you on how to set up basic DHCP on our Windows Server 2012 R2. So first we're going to our Windows, then we're going to search for the network connections. So we're going to type network connections. So here we have it, the view network connections. Then click on that. Then from here we're going to have click on the Ethernet, then right click on it, then go to the properties. So from here we're going to click on the TCP IP version 4. So from here we're going to click on the properties. So now we're going to manually input our IP address. So here we're going to have our IP address as 192.168.0.2. Then we have the subnet mask, which it will automatically show up when you click on it. Then now we're going to input our default gateway. So our default gateway would be 192.168.0.1. So we're going to input now the preferred DNS server. So we're going to have this as 192.168.0.2. Then here we're going to have 192.168.0.1. So we're all set. So we're going to click on OK, then close this one and close this as well. So here we're going to go now to our server manager. So click on the server manager. So here, as you can see, there is a DHCP. So in here, there is a warning which says that configuration required for DHCP server and server 1. So that means that we have to configure this out. So now we're going to go to our tools, which all the tools that we need are going to show up. So here we're going to go to the DHCP. So click on that. Then here we have the server 1 Microsoft.com. We're going to have this click. So we have IPv4 and IPv6. So we're not going to go to the IPv6. In IPv4, we have server options, policies, and filters. So from here, we're going to click on IPv4. So now we're going to right click on that. Then it will have this console. So now we're going to click the new scope. So click on that. Then now it will directed us to a console. So here we're going to click on next. So now it is asking us a name. So we're going to name this as basic. We can name this whatever we want to name. Then after naming it, click on next. So here we have to input the start IP address and the end IP address. So now I am going to have this as 192.168.0.100. Then the end IP address would be 192.168.0.200. You can choose 150 or 250, it's up to you. So here we have the length and the subnet mask. We're going to leave this as it is. So now we're going to click on next. So here it is asking for start IP address and end IP address. So we're going to leave this as it is. So we are going to click on next. Then here as well, it has days, hours, minutes. So we're going to leave this as it is. Right click. So here we're going to leave this as it is as well. So here we're going to leave this as it is as well. Then we're going to click on next. Then here we have the parent domain, which is the Microsoft.com. So we have also here an IP address. So we're going to leave this as it is. Then click on next. Then here we are going to leave this as it is. So click on next. Then also this, we are going to leave this as it is. So we are going to click on next. So now we are finished. So we're going to click on finish. So now we have it configured. Then we have now the scope, which all have the IP address pool, address leases, reservations, and scope options and policies as well. Address pool, we can see that we have the start IP address and the end IP address, which is 192.168.0.100 and 192.168.0.1. So that's it. Thank you.